Right, we're looking at a Wohlenberg MCS-2 92cm cut guillotine. This is the operation panel in basic mode. The back gauge control is operated in the up position to bring it forward and in the down position to send it back. And as that's being done, you can see that the numbers are measuring where the back gauge is. Okay, turning now to the display and the operation board to program the machine.
Yep, you go down, back down to there.
We need to put the joystick into the A position. That will set it onto program run, and then to key in the numbers.
Program 22. Memory. That opens the program. To go to the first cut of the program, press the green. Go to 304. If you want to skip that, press it again. 398. Press it again. Go to cut 3. That's the end cut. That's the last cut. When you press it again, it goes back to 1. If you want to go, if you don't want to go through them all, if you want to go straight to cut 3, go number up, end up, 3, press that, goes to 148. If you want to go back, say, to number 2, press end down, number down, 298. To set a program, well, to clear a program, you've got program 22, just go red P, cancel, memory, and you get delete come up, means there's nothing in it. So then you go back to program 22, memory, you've got no number come up. So to set your first cut, say 250, green button, which will move it to 250. Then you go memory. You can cut on that to check where the cut is after you've cut on the memory. So now you've got number 2, which is cut number 2, 240, green button, move it to 240, memory, 190, green button, memory. That's the last one you want to do. That's 3 cuts. You can go up to 99. Just scroll back. Memory down, 3, 2, 1. That was set to 250. Then if you cut, goes to number 2, 240. 190. The last cut goes back to number 1. If you want to skip through, like say you don't want to do 1 and 2 just on this program, just go number up to say program 3, hit the green, and you go to 190. Same as if you want to go back to number 1, say you've cut it a different way around, press like that. When you're setting a program, or when you're just in another one, usually just use program 1, which is just happens to be there. Even though you've got it on program, if you just wanted to do 1 cut, you just cancel the number, put 250 in that, and it'll go to that. And then it will cut at 250. But then it will return to what the program is. So if you want to do a separate cut, just put it in the middle. It's off program, you still use the keypad. So you go 450, you go program error there. sorry, program 1. Cancel it, sorry, 450. It won't do that on there. You have to set the program on that, so you have to do it. You just do it by your numbers and inching it if you want to do 250. Sorry, didn't mix it up with the old one there. So you just set it. You just do it on the wheel, or backwards and forwards. And that is basically it. You've got a calculator, so if you've got, you know, a sheet of, I don't know, cancel, got a sheet of 640, you want to get 5 sheets out of it, just divide by 5 equals 128. So you can either set the program at 128, or just run it up to 128. And then on that's about it. The only other thing, if you want to lock it at that number, so that you pull it there, manual won't turn, whatever you're doing there, nothing happens there, because it's locked. That is it really. Got airbeds there. That's the delay on the cut, between the cut and the clamp. It's dependent on, if you say got paper with a lot of air in, you put it on a long compression. That was it really. On the buttons. Obviously the weight put on the field leader stops. Just have to take your fingers off, put it back on, we'll continue to cut. Shortcuts. You've got a business card or a shortcut to take the clamp out, foot on the pedal, the clamp comes down. There's 2 screws that you push in and just turn 90 degrees, that one 90 degrees, foot off the clamp a little bit, the clamp rises up, then you just need to help the clamp out. That will allow you to do a small cut. move the backstop away